Everything at Kolver starts and ends with the customer. If the customer is happy, we are happy. If the operator is happy, we're happy. And we feel like ZeroKey has the same philosophy. Everything is very customer-centric, operator-centric. And we feel like in certain situations, there was a clear fit for something like ZeroKey for our customers. And luckily, ZeroKey has felt the same and has brought us in some factory floors. An interesting example is an aerospace manufacturer that had a need for both a screw driving solution as well as a strong need for positioning technology like ZeroKeys. And so we went in together, solved all the problems the customer had to ensure the quality that's necessary in such a demanding environment. And the customer is very happy with both solutions. That shared philosophy between us and ZeroKey is what has enabled this partnership to succeed, and we're excited about what the future holds.